Sometimes Baba God dey use delay press pause so that destruction no go play. You dey cry say that door never open, but you no know say wetin dey behind that door still dey under construction. Baba God still dey arrange am for you. Premature blessings, e dey sweet when e start, but e dey spoil quick because e no get foundation. Even our Lord Jesus Christ had to wait for 30 years before he begin ministry. Why you dey rush journey wey suppose take 3 years for 3 months? Hold down. Habakkuk chapter 2 verse 3 tell you say the vision wey you see, e get im own time. Even though say e dey take long now, make you wait for am because e must surely happen. If that thing wey you dey hope for, that thing wey you dey pray for, if e never come, e mean say the time never reach. But you see, when heaven clock strike, no power fit hold am.